Welcome back, viewers, to know the queen who molded first suicide bomber of the world. Yes, the Tamil queen Velu Nachiyar, the first queen to fight against the British rule and retain her territory after 8 years from the British rule. She hailed from the Ramanathapuram royal family and was married to Shivaganga prince, where she served as a symbol of chivalry. In the first against the British, she is credited with creating the first suicide bomber Quili in the nation's history. Velu Nachiyar, born in 1730, was the only child of Raja Chellamuthu Vijaya Raghunatha Sethupathi. She was given training in all forms of martial arts such as silambam, horse riding and archery. She was also well versed in English, Urdu and many other languages. She was married to Muthu Vaduhanatha Periya Udayathevar. After the death of her husband, the province passed on to Velu Nachiyar. She is also credited with forming Udayal, an all-women defense force as well as a suicide bomber. Not only this, she has have a very good spy system with the support of women, and she has formed a women army under her direct training, Udayal Padai or Marathi Padai, named after Udayal, who sacrificed her life for the nation to protect her queen Velu Nachiyar when she crossed near Kalayar Kovil. She was slaughtered by the British, but she didn't show the queen. So that in order to honor her sacrifice and martyrdom, she built a temple, Udayal temple or Vettudayal temple near Kalayar Kovil, and offer many more villages to perform puja in that temple. As a Tamil queen, she is the one and only queen fought victory over the British all over India, but it was not properly written in the history of Tamil Nadu and recognized her service for the nation. So it should be included in detail in the history of Tamil Nadu, which is very essential to rewrite the history of Tamil Nadu and give a detailed information about the art and architectural developments, administrative reforms of her period, and many more things she has for the well-being of the people. And she is the symbol of secularism, from brotherhood, and many more. Even she set an example for the preamble of our constitution, but many of them showed that we are borrowing from other nations like French, like that, but it's not so. She, in her administration, she has followed brotherhood, even secularism in her administration. So let we all honor the great lady of Tamil Nadu, Velu Nachiyar, and the first bomber, suicide bomber, Quili, Captain Quili, and Udayal, the small girl, sacrificed her life for the nations. Thank you.